In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Verizon personal hotspot on iPhone. All you have to do is open up your iPhone settings, and here from the main screen, you will see personal hotspot. Click on that option. Now, in order to set up a Verizon personal hotspot, all you have to do is toggle this, allow others to join, and also you have the option of setting a password here, a Wi-Fi password. Now, others will need to connect using Wi-Fi, and they will just open up their Wi-Fi connection here and display. This is going to display your phone's name, which you have set previously, and they can also connect using Bluetooth. You will pair your iPhone with your computer. On the iPhone, you will tap pair and enter the code displayed on the computer, and then you can connect to iPhone from computer, and you can also connect using USB. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.